Good morning, y'all. It's day 2 at M50 Sweets. I'm going down to get breakfast. They say breakfast is free. So I'm gonna get breakfast. It's from 6 to 9. It's currently 7. So yeah, and the plan is to get breakfast, Bible study, workout, and do whatever else for the day. So yeah, and I think I'm gonna bring breakfast back to the room. So let's see.
Love is chasing me, grace. That's freebie, faith. You giving me love. It's chasing me down.
Wake yourself up with some water. Okay. So this is the menu. It says omelets, yogurt, fruit with toppings, cereal, pastries, hot buffet, and then there's omelets made to order, which is good. And it's from 6:30 to 9:30 a.m. So let's see what it looks like.
Big chip?
Say what?
You want to make big chip first?
It's a video.
Oh, okay.
Remember to stay hydrated, people. Alright, vlog. So we're going to be walking the strip is what we're going to be doing. So we're just going to walk. We're just going to walk. I walk in. So yeah. So we'll see what we can find. Hopefully we don't get into trouble. We don't know. But this humid sun is going. Listen, I take this over Huntington Beach any day. Any day. Because Huntington Beach was freezing. So, yeah, it's great.
Man, only you would go to California and complain. California is amazing.
I mean, the food was kind of bland, too.
Where'd you eat?
The California spots.
Exactly. You can go to Roscoe's. Their chicken and waffles is good.
Well, we didn't really have an
right
option.
here, man.
What do you mean?
Let's go.
What are you talking about?
It ain't connected right here.
It's not. That's why I be shaving it. Not yet. Oh, but here's Uno.
I stayed at Uno's last night.
Yeah. It was nice. Got lit.
No, you came to Uno's lit.
We came to, no, you came to Uno's lit. I got lit at Uno. Actually, nah, it just put me to sleep.
How? You just ate pizza.
I just ate pizza and drank a margarita and it put me to sleep.
Oh, you drank a margarita yesterday?
Yes.
He had one margarita and he went to bed.
No, not like that.
Crazy. You went to sleep?
Well, I was already tired since 2 and it just really like solidified me going to sleep.
Oh, I was wondering why you was looking.
I mean, I was hangry all day.
Horatio look pissed. Is that the park place they was talking about?
Yeah, right there. But what is this, like, this restaurant that's on the side type of thing? That's unique. But at the same time, I'm like, not trying to go. Because what if it's, because it says, believe it or not, is that a restaurant? Don't know. But we'll see. burger. Well, avocado. And then I also have some fries. We're gonna see what this is good. It's giving burger, but like natural, right? I'm gonna give you my Shake Shack, ratings. So here on International Drive in Orlando, that Shake Shack is amazing. That was the first time I saw options for all types of different dietary type of things that had a veggie burger, right? And this veggie burger isn't like what they normally do by being lazy and just getting the Impossible or Beyond. Like, those are great, but if those are the only options, and then if people have to use fast food as a type of meal substitute, it's just not giving. It's just as bad as beef or pork or even chicken, right? But this restaurant actually had like a house-made veggie burger, right? But the thing was, it wasn't mush like farm burger, right? This one actually had texture. It was given a texture of a burger, given a look of like a regular burger, and given a flavor profile of a regular burger, right? You could tell it was a veggie burger slightly, but that's because it had the little pieces of the vegetables still in there, right? But it was really good. Like, it was giving good. It was good. It was really good. Like, it tasted really good. The fries were good as usual. The only issue I had was they weren't piping hot when they got to me, right? So yeah, so the food overall rating would definitely be a 9. I'll give it a 9. The burger on the totem pole is not really vegan, so I can't put it on the pole of vegan burgers. But if it had vegan cheese, I would have definitely put it at like top 5. It would be like 5th place. So yeah, so environment was a 10, food was a 9. Customer service was a 9. I didn't have that many interactions with the staff. However, the ones I did have was really good. I actually talked to I think she was the only waitress there, and she basically just gave me my food from the shelf. It was like a seamless transition between going to get the food and bringing it to the table. That was kind of cool. Yeah, well, I think those are the only 3 categories I'm gonna do, because that's it. And the battery's about to die and I don't have the extra one. So I'll see y'all in the hotel room.
I was at the restaurant. While I was at the restaurant, I had to go. I'm talking about. Yeah, make me look light skinned, bro. Light skin me up.
Whatever.
I had to go. So I ran a quarter mile back to the room, because I got to think about using public bathrooms when I got to go. You know, that was one of them where you had to take the shirt off and take your socks off and get comfortable. I had to. Ooh.
Well,
hey, you ate too much jalapeno pizza last night. You better put this in the vlog too.
I am. I'm gonna make you a fool. You make yourself a fool. Since you don't care, I'm gonna put it in. Only because you don't care, I'm gonna put it in. I wouldn't put this in for anybody else. But yeah, Shake Shack was pretty cool. I would definitely recommend it. If you're on International Drive, I recommend that one. I don't know about the one in Atlanta, okay? I ain't see that option when I was there last time. So I don't recommend the one in Atlanta. But I definitely recommend this one on International Drive in Orlando. So definitely check that out. I don't know what we about to do next, but y'all gonna come with me. So it is what it is. Let's go. All right, y'all. So we're about to go to the beach. I'm excited. We're just getting gas before we go. And yeah.
Chasing me down, 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 chasing me down. Love is chasing me, grace has freed me, babe. You giving me love. It's chasing me down, chasing me down, chasing me down.
All right, y'all. So I got a towel over y'all because it's starting to like sprinkle. And I don't want the camera to get dirty. But this is the view from the beach. It's so nice and beautiful. Let me make sure I'm out the street. It's so nice and beautiful and peaceful. It's amazing. And one thing cool about this beach is that there's like a mini like moat. It's like a mini moat. And then it goes to like a very shallow area and then it gets deeper again. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Very peaceful. Just listen to the waves. That's cool. But it's really about to start raining. Y'all, I got like no footage at all, but this is what our room looked like at night. That's it. Like, this camera's not doing it justice. It's a little too vibrant. Let me try to turn this down. Okay, that's a little better. But yeah, this is what it looked like at night. That's the top of the swings that Legacy refuses to go on.
Hell no.
And that Ferris wheel looks pretty nice. Slingshot that nobody should go on. Look, you can see somebody go up now. Too high for me. With just 4 strings holding on?
What's good? How's your day? It's your boy Horatio J. Turn it up. Test new video. Turn it up. Test new video.